Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Coders Arcade. In this session, we will be learning about a new topic which is of CBSE class 10. As you can see here, surface area and volumes. Whether it be Central Board of Education or State Board of Education, both has this topic, surface area and volumes. So we'll cover some topics out of this today. Before starting the video, I would like to request you people to please like and share our videos and also subscribe to our channel Coders Arcade and please press the bell icon so that you receive notifications about our latest updates and you do not miss out on our future uploads. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So today we will be covering two three-dimensional figures, 3D figures. The first one will be say cube and the second one will be cuboid, and we will be calculating for both. We will be calculating the total surface area and the lateral surface area and then also the volume. So this is our agenda for today. Now let me first draw the diagram of a cube. I will draw a basic rough diagram. So you can see this is the rough diagram of the cube. Now there are 6 faces and each face is actually a square, and we know that the area of a square is side into side. Let us take each edge to be L, the length of each edge to be L. Then we can say that each face will be like this: length, 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 or we can say L, 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 L. So in that case, side into side will be L into L is equal to L square. So this is the area of each face of this cube. Now, as I said, there are 6 faces. Therefore, total surface area of cube is equal to 6 into area of each face. So you can see here 6 into area of each face, as we have seen here, is L square. So it will be finally 6L square. So let me write here like short form TSA. It will be 6L square. So this is the total surface area of a cube. Now the next topic, as I said, it is lateral surface area. So in case of lateral, we have to use a simple logic. Whenever we see something from the front, view, then we don't see anything from the top and from the bottom. So these two faces are not seen by us. In that case, we will be having only 4 faces: the front one, say the back one, this, and the other 2 side faces. So ultimately we will be having 4 faces. In that case, the lateral surface area will be is equal to 4 into L square. That is 4L square. So this is the formula for lateral surface area of a cube. Finally, we have volume. In case of volume, it is like this. V is equal to length into breadth into height. But in our case, length, breadth and height of the cube are equal. So here also we have L only, here L, here also L. You can see all the edges are having the value of L, because a cube is a symmetrical figure and that's why it has all the edges to be of equal length and it is L. So in that case, we have length, breadth and height equal. Therefore, I can write L into L into L. So the volume of a cube will be L cube. So this is the volume of a cube. So after this, I hope you have understood everything. Let us move on to the next one or the next 3D figure, which is cuboid. So let me erase this and we will move on to the next one. Now as we are done with the first one, let us move on to the second one, 3D figure, cuboid. Let me draw a cuboid for you. So this is just a basic diagram of a cuboid. Here the dimensions are like this: length, breadth and height. So this is the breadth, this is the length and this is the height. In this case, it also has 6 faces. Now let us see how we can calculate the total surface area of this cuboid. So I will write in the short form only, TSA is equal to, now please see carefully because this topic is a little complicated also. This is the first face or the front face. In this case, it is a rectangle and the area of a rectangle is length into breadth. So here length is L only, but the breadth or the height is H. So I will just erase this and I will write H. But this is the front face. Similarly, there is a back face, this one. This also has the same dimensions. Therefore, it will be plus L into H. So front and back are covered. Now let us move on to the top and the bottom surface. For the top, this is B and this is L. So top and bottom surfaces will have the same dimensions. Therefore, we will write like this: L into B plus L into B. And finally, the side faces. This is B, this is H. Therefore, let me write it here, plus B into H plus this face is done. Now we are left with this face. Therefore, it will be also B into H, because front and back are similar, this side and this side are similar, and the bottom and the top are similar. Therefore, it will be LH, LH, LB, LB and BH, BH. And finally, we can write like this: LH plus LH plus LB plus LB plus BH plus BH. Now, LH, LH, 2LH plus 2LB plus 2BH. So we can take 2 common here and finally we will be getting this TSA of cuboid is equal to 2LH plus LB plus BH. You don't have to worry about the order of this. It can be LB, LH, BH, anything. That doesn't matter. But you should remember this logic, how it is coming actually. So finally, we will get it like this. This is the final formula. This is the total surface area of a cuboid. Now, let me show you the lateral surface area of a cuboid, LSA of cuboid, is equal to, now as I said, lateral surface area means we will be getting only this view, and we will getting the sides. So the top and the bottom portions are excluded. In that case, this is H, this is B, this is L. So let us see, B into H, this side and this side are similar, because this is also B, this is H. So BH plus BH, because two sides and the front side and the back side. So it will be plus, this is L and this is H, L into H plus L into H. So it is BH plus BH plus LH plus LH is equal to 2BH plus 2LH. So ultimately we can see that this 2 and this H are common in both the terms. Therefore, we can write 2H and B plus L, or it can be L plus B as you wish. So this is the LSA of cuboid, or the lateral surface area of a cuboid. This is the final formula. And coming to the volume of a cuboid, let me write it here. Volume is equal to length into breadth into height of cuboid. So this is the formula for volume of a cuboid. So in this session, we have covered the total surface area, the lateral surface area, and the volume of both cube and the cuboid. So I hope you have understood this. If you have any doubts in the explanation process, then you can just post your doubts in the comment section. I'll be very happy to clarify those doubts. And if you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and also press the notification bell so that you get updates about our future uploads. Thank you, have a nice day, and happy learning.